Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your food processor to blend your beef when you want to make your meat pie. Okay, so this is the beef thoroughly washed. Can you see there's still water in here? So the first thing you're going to do, this is the engine of the blender, the total package that came with it. It is 8-in-1. If you haven't watched the video that I did where I unboxed it, go and watch it. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is this is the food processor. Okay, so this is the cover, and this is what you normally use to push in whatever you're putting inside. Okay, can you see? So this is it. Okay, so I'm going to open it up like this. Okay, now make sure that inside is thoroughly washed. Okay, so I've already washed it. So what you're going to do now is to put this blade, you're going to put it inside. Can you see? This is going in like this. Okay, can you see, guys? There's a hole here, so you put it in like this, and then we're going to put it in here on top. We're going to insert it here. So watch me. So you make sure that it's entered very well. Okay, so this is it. And now when you put the cover, this cover is what we hold it down. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do next is to go ahead and put your beef, so you can cut them a little. Okay, so that you don't overwork your food processor. But if it's still bigger than this, it will still do the work. So I'll put my I'll put my beef inside like this. Okay, I'll put my beef inside. Don't worry, it will still be shaking because there's nothing that is holding it very well like that. So now you're going to go ahead and cover it. Can you see? This is going in here. Okay, so you cover it like this. Yeah, so it's going to enter into all of this four stuff that are here. So now this is what you use to push things inside when you want to blend. Now the next thing we're going to do now is to go ahead and plug our blender. Okay, and then you're going to this is the power button, on, off. Okay guys, so I forgot to remove this. So when this thing has cover for the blade, so you're going to remove them first before you even insert it. I forgot, sorry guys. So put this aside and then just put this in back in here. I'm going to go ahead now and start owning it. So can you see the meat? Let me bring it closer. Can you see the beef? So now you're going to let me take the camera up a little. Okay, so now this is the power button, so you could use this part, put it how far you want it to blend. Okay, the speed. So now you're so guys, can you see? Now this, you check it if what you have is enough for you or you want it more smoother. So when you are blending, you make sure that your meat is much, at least to a larger extent. Okay? This is it. Okay, because my meat is not too much. So this is how you can use your food processor to just blend your beef. Okay, so I'm just going to take it off. Okay, I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is how to open it. So this is it. Can you see my beef blended already? So this is how to use your food processor. If you have learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and drop a comment. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.